are going, Sashin?
Malen.
What?
Malen.
Malen. We will go to Malen. Yay. Malen is very happy. I'm here. She will sing again Bituing Walang Ningning. Did Malen sing for you?
Only sometimes.
Sometimes because you didn't understand.
Lagi yung tugtog dyan.
Kahit Chinese. Kahit what do you call na ano nila?
Hindi, meron siyang playlist.
Here. Sasakyan pa nila. Buhay pa si Malen ito? Wow! As in? Like a brand new car.
Yeah, this is Malen.
Oh, na.
Siya nga, dito na yan.
Oh, your car is like a brand new car. Oh, I know. Malen always loved this. Hi, Malen. I'm here. I'm here. Hilig ni Malen sa stuffed toys.
That's her. Saka na. Hindi yan nawawala dito.
Oh, galing tayong Lucena. Bababa na tayo. So, pupunta po kami sa libingan ni Malen. We will visit our high school friend. Wow, Yamaha. Oh, that's temple. Is that a temple? Here, there, that colorful one. What's your religion?
What is it?
Huh?
What is it?
Buddhism. So, Daisy, ibalik natin ang history. What is Buddhism?
Absent ako nung
Yeah. Wow. Is that a temple or restaurant or what? Temple.
temple.
They are
Madami
like
dito
that.
temple.
Siguro din kaya dito dahil malindol itong bansang to, no? Ay mabababa din lang yung building. He will translate.
30 minutes from house to work.
Yeah, what's that?
Anong tanong mo?
Okay, I will just type.
Motorcycle.
Okay, motorcycle.
Only 2 km.
2 kilometers.
Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah.
I thought you are
City
walking.
na.
Yeah. That's your work? That's your company? No.
Papunta
Yeah. Going there?
Bata.
No. Okay. Kunti na lang talaga magiging kakaintindihan na kami nito si Sashin. Lifestyle. Samsung. O, diba? Masipag lang talaga yun. Hey, manin. We're here. First time kitang madadalaw. Wala akong ganyan, wag kang maano. Ikaw, pipicture na kita kahit sa libingan. Oh, 3.5 ko daw eh. Oh, bilis na, lakad na. Ipo 0.5 na kita. Ano ba?
Pag 0.5 kasi hindi mo.
Amoy, anong tawag doon? Incenso. So, punta kami sa dito nakalibing. Bawalan to. Malin. I'm here, Malin. Ano yan? Meaning?
Birthday ko.
Bakit nandun? Yun lang. Hi, Malin. We are here in Taichung. And there is Tita of Manila in front of you. With Yunfei, Sashin. Hi. And with Tita. Hi. Yeah. Kailangan ko muna mag-English-Englishan kahit hindi ko din alam mo ang sinasabi ko. Dito hindi ganyan ang paghabol sa taxi. Oh, Tita, let's ewan. Let's tawid-tawid. Tita? Fengway. So, ganda naman dito sa Taichung eh. Let's wait for us. Oh, wait for us, you know. Red. So, pag red, we can, yan. Galing na kami dito, umikot lang. So, there. What's this? Yan. Taichung Gift Festival. Wow.
高兴是0923的，
咦？
今天人数降6位吗？
对我
是0923的高兴。
对。
那我们这边请哦。
Sabi niya may naka-reserve na seat na daw.
哦，你们请哦。
Ice cream.
菜单ของ大尾刷你看过我说一声就好了，谢谢。
Ganda, sige sa tayo. So, di ba? Wow.
你要看吗？
Yan.
你要给阿妈看啊，你看得懂吗？
Oh, there's a Peking duck, a lot of Peking duck there. Yeah. No, kala naman yun siya lang na naman ang inaano ko. With the host. Hi!
看到，叫彩的二号，叫彩的二号，还有几家阿尔啊。
So yan, mag-o-order na po sila. Talaga ako na may gulay. And this. Yeah. This, what's this? Translator, please. Shashin will translate. This vegetable is what we call water lily. Oh my god. We will eat water lily. Water lily daw. So, iniintay lang namin yung Peking duck. Peking duck. What's that? Oh my god. Water lily. Yeah. Hyacinth. We will wait for while we are waiting.
阿德在打阿比亚，